it was 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes from us having fun to the boat the boat rolled like this, tipped on its side, and then the engines went down and just the nose up. I mean, there wasn't time to be like, oh, the boat's rolling, I'm going to do this. It was like, I was actively yelling the coordinates. I just finished the coordinates into the radio and I dropped it and I turned. And then I thought I was going to be looking at my window, which was open, but it was above me. I mean, it was that fast.